everybody, it's Beth again, and we get to welcome back Colleen Wilkinson, our skincare specialist, who is going to be answering questions. She had some great things to teach us last week, and this week we want to talk about the idea that clients come into the office all the time and ask me, if I'm spending money on skincare treatments, do I really need to have skincare products in between? So Colleen, what are your thoughts on that?
Yeah. So hi everyone. Great question. The answer is yes, of course you do. But I'm going to give you a couple of reasons why. So I like to use a lot of analogies, right, in skincare. So I'm going to use the analogy of working out at a gym or hiring a personal trainer. Okay. So when you hire a personal trainer at a gym, you have sort of set appointments, just like a patient would come in for a treatment, right? So you go in for your workout, and the first thing the trainer, any good trainer, will say to you is, here's your meal plan. Okay. This is what you follow, and this is what you do while you're outside of the gym. Okay. Now, I'm sure a lot of people can attest that if you only show up for your trainer once a week and do the workout, and then sort of disregard that sheet that they gave you with all those recommendations, you're probably not going to get the results that you want. The exact same thing happens in terms of skincare outside of treatment. So we always kind of like to talk about the treatment as like the skin workout, right? And then what you do outside of that treatment is kind of 80% of the battle, right? So the last thing that you want to do is spend money on a treatment in clinic and then go and maybe take a couple of steps backwards, or not be using the right product that enhances that treatment or gets you the results that you're expecting. And oftentimes that happens. And clinics will have patients that come back and said, you know what? It's not really what I was expecting. It's not really, up to my expectations. And the first question that's always asked is, what kind of skincare are you using at home? Like, what are you doing at home to sort of help this process along? So I really do believe that it's the 80-20 rule. Treatments are really, really so important and so effective for making change in the skin, but it's also how you're maintaining the treatment at home that's really going to get you the results that you want. For me, as a patient, why would I invest in treatments and then, kind of work backwards in between? It doesn't really make a lot of sense to me. So even if you're not ready to overhaul your whole regime, it's really important to talk to your practitioner about like key active products that you should be using to continue your treatment at home until the next time you see them.
That's great, Colleen. So folks, you have heard it here first. When I start asking you these questions after your treatments, then you'll know why. That's great advice, Colleen. Thank you so much. And we look forward to what you're going to share with us next time.